Good morning. Today is December 23rd and today's refinishing project is located in St. Helena, California, the heart of the wine country here. And so today we're going to be refinishing this garden style bathtub here. It's a fiberglass bathtub. We're going to also be refinishing this ledge over the top. It's a little cultured marble ledge. Shelving that's over the top of the bathtub. We're going to finish that. And then we swing around here. And then there's a fiberglass shower unit here that we're going to be refinishing as well. These units are pretty much ready to go. Earlier we fully prepped them out and masked off everything in the bathroom here. The floor, the vanity. So everything's ready to go. We just have to mask around the top here. And mask the door off here. And then we'll start the refinishing. Alright, so this is a job for today. And we'll follow up once we're done. Thanks for watching. Alright, so here's a finish-up video of the job here in St. Helena, California. Let's take a look. Alright, so we have this garden style bathtub here. Fiberglass bathtub. It was kind of like a original beige color before. This is a kohler white, similar to the countertop that they put in here. Nice and shiny. Alright, let's look at the shower. There's a shower stall, fiberglass as well. So this was pretty much a two-day job. The first day we came in and prepped both of the units and then followed up the next day with the refinishing. Alright, so there you go. So if you're interested in any of our refinishing services, you can reach us at 925-516-7900 and we service the entire Bay Area. Thanks for watching.